Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Court calls the case People versus Dolores Strickland.
Ready,
Dylan Kirby
Judge.
on behalf of the people.
Commercial Feaster Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Miss Dolores Strickland. Miss Strickland, please state your name for the record. She had been here.
He is here, but not in the camera.
And Your Honor, can we briefly approach?
Seriously. Yes. You knew it was going to happen. All right. We all set? That's it? Okay. And so, folks, court will stand in recess. We will reconvene approximately 1 o'clock. To call the rest of the cases. Court's in recess. I think I'm back. Are they back?
Yeah.
All right. On this matter, record should reflect you've had a brief bench conference. Miss Kirby.
Your Honor, during the break while the court was taking an hour recess in between cases, it appears that the defendant and the victim were on screen, obviously violating the no contact order. They were doing non-appropriate courtroom things, and the people are giving the violation in the court and the violation from community corrections as well, that the defendant's bond be revoked and she report to the jail by this evening. If not, I would ask for an immediate bench warrant to go out. I know there's a bench warrant already with no bond out of community corrections.
Yes.
Judge, for the record, I have spoken to Miss Strickland about 3 times over the last couple of days. I did notify her about that community correction warrant. I did tell her that she should turn herself in on that warrant. She has not done that at this point. I do not know if she intends to do that. I will accept Miss Kirby's representation that that was the alleged victim on screen was her, Your Honor, and she already has a warrant to turn herself in, so I would ask her to do that on that case anyway, in addition to whatever the court does on this file, Your Honor.
But what the court's going to do is the court is going to leave the other bench warrant out, no bond. I've marked the file that I did witness, presuming that to be the victim in the case, and I will trust that representation that's being made. I did witness them together, which would be a violation or an additional violation of her bond. So I will leave the bench warrant out. I'm not going to set a new date. I think we know where she is, so we can potentially send somebody to get her. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Kirby.
When I check, all right.
Include me on any bench conference with Caitlin Kirby. I would just really appreciate that moving forward.
What?
I said, can I be included in all Caitlin Kirby bench conferences moving forward? I would really appreciate that.
No, that one was pretty ugly. It was not.
Nicole Hughes on behalf of the people.
Court calls the case People versus Dolores Strickland. 2 cases.
Judge, court shall please to Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. That's my right at the podium. Ms. Strickland, please state your name for the record.
Dolores Strickland.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Jane Thompson, PC matter. I am seeking to adjourn this matter for a few weeks to try to see if we can find a resolution. I know that the people have a motion regarding bond that they want to be heard, Your Honor.
All right.
That's correct, Your Honor. 2 things from me. Well, the first is that new issues will either be issued today or tomorrow for the case for which she came into custody. I expect that to be 4 felonies.
4 felonies?
Correct. Also, I received information that and forwarded this to the defense that on 3/6, she left 3 voicemails for the victim, 2 from a different inmate. And in each of the voicemails, she is asking the victim for money. She says, it's your fault I'm here. So I think you should give my $200. If not, she's going to go down, like hit the fan. I'm done with this shit. Do it. Get me some money on that commissary now, or else I'm going to epic freak out on you whenever I get that out of here. And we also received information from the victim. This is the DV victim. That she sent her a letter. I got a copy of that letter, which I will need to forward to defense. It's a 5-page handwritten letter, again, asking him for money repeatedly. So I'm going to ask that her reminded of the no contact order, that her jail call privileges be revoked. And I'm going to ask that his number be blocked at the jail as well.
Obviously, Judge, I don't have the letter yet. I was made aware of the phone call last night. We understand the people's request, and Ms. Strickland apologizes for any violations, Your Honor.
You understand, ma'am, you're not to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case.
I do now, Your Honor.
You didn't before?
Well,
Even though the magistrate told you?
we've already been together, Your Honor, as you've seen on camera. The whole world's seen on camera. And we have been together for 15 years. So he also told them that picked it up, the state that picked it up, that he does not want to see me in jail because of it would not do me no good. It would actually make things worse, Your Honor. So
Okay, that's fine. You understand you're not to have contact with him.
yes, no, I do. Yeah, again.
What date did you want?
We could have at least 2 week, Judge. I'm going to
2
look
weeks?
into mental health involving Ms. Strickland, determine where we go from there, Judge.
April 4th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.
come in April 4th, okay?
Mhm.
All right, I'll come.
Defendant's bond will continue. Defendant's phone privileges are in the jail are hereby revoked.
And then, thank you, Judge.